Hey everybody out there in social media land, today we have a very special guest. YNG Martyr has come in to sign his Vox Wall of Fame photo board here. YNG Martyr, you started your career in 2018, released a bunch of stuff in 18, and then 2019 you had huge success.
A little moment.
With Nike Ticks, which went through the roof, and then you've had a bunch of other hits that have come out as well to Ease Off 1992. You have more than 1 million listeners a month on Spotify, which is huge. You have a huge following on YouTube as well too. And you have a new album that has just been released through Warner, and it is Lovesick.
Lovesick.
And you've been touring around, playing lots of gigs, keeping super busy. Anything you want to tell the fans?
Tell the fans. Check out my album, Lovesick. It's kind of cool. And hit the man Pete up if you don't want your vocals to sound terrible. Let's get it.
Woo! Big love. Bye-bye.
Yeah.